So, I've always bought my cars from Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Auto Trader, or private buyers, and been thinking about going to auctions. So I'm going to ride around different auctions in my area today to see what the setup process is and the fees and what you've got to do. So first stop, G3 Remarketing in Castleford. So went into G3, a lady approached me before I got to the desk. I asked her how you go about setting up an account for buying. She asked me firstly if I was in the motor trade and if I had motor trade insurance, which I do. Says yes. So she says I need to go online, fill in an application. I think there was a charge for it. I think it was £54, and you have to pay a £500 deposit to leave in the account per car you want to buy. So if you want to buy four cars from the auction, you need a £2,000 deposit. So we're going to have a ride at Nexton, which is Aston Barclay in Normanton, and we'll see what they have to offer. So it's not Aston Barclay anymore, it's BCA. It looks really nice inside actually, some nice chairs and stuff to sit down, have a drink. They've got a restaurant. So to set up an account, just go online again. It takes a couple of days to set up the account. It didn't say anything about fees or deposits for the trade account. But he said if I wanted to go into today's auction, I could register just as a private buyer and leave a £1,000 deposit. So I'm going to have a look online and see what else it says about the account, the trade account. Right, on to the next one, Mannheim in Rothwell. So just been to Mannheim, very friendly staff. Asked again if I had motor trade, if I were in motor trade or if I were a private buyer. Motor trade asked if I had proof of my trader's policy, which I have. They give me an application form, so I can fill that in or fill it in online. Pay £70 and that's it. No deposit, no nothing. Just it takes 7 days to activate the account. So if I do it today, I can be buying next week. All the manifests are online. Yeah, sounds good. I think we might be going with that one.